Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a green tea and mint texturizing hair wax. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are making this green tea and mint texturizing hair wax that you can use to style up short hairstyles to get a bit of texture through your hair. I'm using menthol crystals to get the minty fragrance in our hair wax today, so I'll start by dissolving the menthol crystals in some coneflower oil. I've chosen coneflower oil because it's rich in linoleic and oleic acids with a light to medium heaviness, so it won't weigh the hair down or feel greasy. While we wait for the menthol crystals to dissolve, I can combine the rest of my lipids. So I'm using a natural lightweight silicone alternative because it's not sticky and it's high spreading, and also some beeswax and some canalba wax. The beeswax provides flexibility and tap, while the canalba wax adds structure and it improves hold. And I'm also using low HLB waxy emulsifier and low HLB liquid emulsifiers. I'm using a combination of both waxy and liquid emulsifiers to combine the structural strength and stability of the waxy emulsifier and the efficient emulsification and improved sensory feel provided by the liquid component. Menthol is still dissolving, but I will begin to heat those waxes while we wait. Once those menthol crystals have completely dissolved in the coneflower oil, you can add it to the rest of the lipid phase. Now I only have a very small input of water in this formula, but I will gently heat it to reach the same temperature as my lipids. Once both phases are at the same temperature, we can homogenize those together. Once you have both phases nicely blended together, you can turn the speed down and just gently keep mixing as you cool. While that's still mixing, I'm going to add in the kaolin clay, which will give the wax the mattifying finish. And I'm also using a 100% organic lipid-soluble green tea and mint extract. So this will add a little natural colour to our hair wax, and it also has antioxidant and conditioning benefits. And I'll finish off with an antioxidant to protect the plant materials from oxidation. And then I'm going to pour that off while it's still molten and set it aside to set completely as it cools off. Then when we come back, we have this cool green hair wax. The colour comes from the green tea and mint extract, while the minty fragrance is coming from the menthol crystals. See? And that's how easy it is to make a green tea and mint texturizing hair wax. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!